Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business profile image using Posterize in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load the profile photo. I duplicate the layer immediately because business design demands discipline. I apply Posterize and slowly adjust the levels. I pause and observe how the image becomes more graphic and bold. I stop when the face is clear and expressive. Some details disappear, so I mask gently to restore eyes and key features. I zoom in and smooth edges to maintain quality. I choose simple colors that reflect trust and professionalism in business branding. I center the subject and check alignment carefully.